Hello family, how you all doing? Hope you guys are great. Hope you're good in your respective area. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about parting. Like I said in my other videos, I said the key factor to making a neat and clean hair is the parting. So today my client wanted to do all back. She said she wanted a curvy type of all back where I will part it 3 ways. So I said, okay, I got you. So I'm showing you how to part in 3 forms. Now these 3 forms depends on the type of curves that she wants, and I said I'm going to make a video today, so I hope this video helps you to know how to part. I hope it helps you to know how to part. So I didn't do much. I only parted the hair in 3 forms, and I used my, you will see where I'm going to be using my cutting iron to measure the parts. That is how I do. My other stylists, other hairstylists does that in their own ways. Just for me to get an equal parting of the 3 forms, I had to use my misela to measure from each end to know that I'm getting it right. So the trick about hair styling, or the trick about hair making, is for you to know the right is for you to know the right method that will be good for you. That's the best way to make hair. Like I, as a hairstylist, I have different method of making a particular hair. So I choose the best method that will work for me in that particular time. So it's just for you to know the trick that works best for you. I hope today's video is very impacting. So please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video to your loved ones, especially those that want to learn how to make weaving, cornrows, weaving, box braid, anything braiding. This channel is the right channel to come to, and I will see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.